In a recent video, I shared 4 ideas for pages in the childhood journals I'm making for our daughters. And in this video, I've got a few more ideas to share. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. That would really help my channel grow. Subscribe and ring the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. The first idea I'm sharing today uses a paper menu and a page from a children's book. I will use my sewing machine to create a side pocket. Begin by folding over the paper menu in half. Use my template and fold the creased edge over the edge of the template. I'll use my paper cutter to trim off the excess length. Then insert the page from the children's book, and I'll use my sewing machine to stitch down the vertical edge as well as all across the bottom. That will secure the book page in place and also create that side pocket. Crease the edge, and it's done. This next idea is great for oddly sized pieces of paper. This artwork is very long. Fold it in half, tear it apart, and rotate both pieces 90 degrees. What? Giving it the old switcheroo enables me to make it closer to the size of the template. Fit it to the template, apply a little bit of glue to keep it in place. Stitch it vertically just to secure those 2 pages together. One final fold. And a little bit of glue inside, and it's all set. This last idea is actually many variations on the theme of folding and trimming papers. The first way is just to fold papers in half and trim them to size. I like to use vintage office papers, ledger papers. Now you could also turn these inside out. Use a paper punch to make a little peak spot. Save these little bits. They're awesome and will come in useful later when you're working in the book. Another idea is to use vintage papers and reinforce them along the crease. Use your template to make sure it's the right size for your book, and then just simply apply some tape along the interior crease. That will keep the paper from coming apart when it is stitched into the book and when it gets use over time. I'm using masking tape, but you could also use washi tape. Once you trim some pages to size, another idea would be to simply use a corner rounder, which will soften the sharp edges. Magazine tearings make great pages too. And of course, you might want to include a few sketchbook pages as well. That will be great to add paint to later when working in the book. I hope you've enjoyed these ideas. In the next video, I'm going to have even more page ideas. Thanks for watching!